Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is going to be an unboxing video of our brand new GNSS receiver from Tersus. And if you are someone new to our channel and if you are willing to learn about GIS and advanced surveying, you are at the right place. Please subscribe to our channel. We have ordered 2 units of GNSS receiver from Tersus and the model name is LUKA. Now we will do the unboxing. So successfully we have opened the box and you can see the box here. Right to the point, and it is very lightweight compared to the previous GNSS receiver we have ordered. We also have one Trek and Tap model. Compared to Trek and Tap, this LUKA appears to be very less weight. Now we will open this box. Let's see what is inside. The first thing you have to see is the manual, and we have received the warranty card. The item list is also here. The cable, USB cable to charge the device, and we have the adapter. And height measuring accessory. Here we have this beautiful LUKA. Very lightweight, very lightweight comparing to other models of GNSS receiver. You could see the serial number. And we have a radio antenna that comes with this device. Now we will move on to the other box. Here you can keep your controller. If you have ordered the controller, you can keep it here. There is a space here for keeping your controller. To the next box. So this is the base set. You could see there is one radio antenna along with this, and extension pole. They have given one extension pole and a tape from Tersus, a measuring tape. And the same, we have a warranty card and a GNSS receiver quick start guide. The item list, the same, and extension rod, cable, and this is a base set. So we have the this round centering thing. You can see the serial number of this device. So that's all in this box.